Ayusin mo yan, Gio. Oy. Huwag pa nahihatak ng ano, huwag mo hinahatak yan. Harap ka dito. Diyan, diyan. Doon, lakad ka doon. Doon, doon. Doon. Belly.
Onti lang pala kailangan yun.
Halika na. Pwede na. Ah. Ang katakot. Oh. Iyo.
Kinisan, I want you to bring me. Get ready, all the kids, a cellphone, go!
Ah, dali, sapo ka, sapo.
I have two prizes. Kung sino po nang makakapagdala, papalitan natin ng prize, okay? I have two prizes. Let's bring me. What do you want, easy or hard? Yes, get ready, all the kids. Make it faster. Go to your mommy and daddy. So let's bring me. Bring me, bring me. I want you to bring me. Get ready, all the kids. 500 peso bill.
Iyo. Video na kita. Daming food ni Gio ah. Puro pizza and chicken. Kain. Hoy, halika dito. Gio, come here. Oh my God.
Okay, ready, smile. Yes. Yes, get ready, all the kids. Raise your hands. Who wants a prize? Who
Gio,
wants a prize? Raise your hands.
why you remove
Okay,
that?
get ready. So before we start, everybody say Happy Birthday, El Marie. All together. And 3, 2, 1, shout.
Happy birthday, Marie!
I cannot hear you. Make it louder. All together. Say Happy Birthday, El Marie.
Happy birthday, Marie!
And once again, say happy. Yes, and once again, say happy. Yes, get ready, all the kids. So let's exercise first before starting the game. Okay, just follow me, guys. For example, alright, so get ready, all the kids, hands up. Yes, maybe to continue training here. Okay, so come on, so don't shy. Okay, so come there. Just stay there, okay? Yes, okay, hands up, kids, ready? And wave your hands. And jump. Come on, together, jump. Jump, baby, come on, you just follow me, jump. Yes, jump. Yes, get ready, all the kids. Exercise, okay? For example, when the music starts, we will dance, okay? Oh, get ready. So everybody say happy birthday, El Marie.
Happy birthday, Marie!
Get ready, laksa mo partner. So play that music, hands up. Nice one, everybody. Ramara, what do you want? Easy or hard? Hard. So what do you want? Easy or hard? What?
Easy.
Easy. Get ready, all the kids, listen carefully. So, yes, so baby, go. Okay. Next.
Gio, you go. Dali. Dali, come here. Ay, ito. Doon ka na. Doon ka sa gitna.
Maya, forward ka, forward.
Also, yes. Okay, just my thoughts.
Behave ka. O, ikaw na, meron ka na ba?
Nag-stage na ako kay sa kapatid ko ng melody.
Uy, yung bibig mo, halika dito. Iyo, halika. Linisin natin yung bibig mo madumi.
Mag-stage ka. Aray ko.
Yun na.
Music princess. Maria Monopoly Professor 6. Music magic. Ano anong sa Bisaya ng ano kalbo?
Kalbo.
Hmm?
Kalbo din. Kainin mo na yan. Yung anak mo.
Guys, all together, I would like to sing a happy birthday song, okay? Are you kids ready? Kids, are you kids ready? Sing a happy birthday song, okay? Get ready, all together. All right, kids.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
All right, guys, clap your hands. Everybody, everybody. Just wait, picture muna ko. Gamit ang sakit.
Loud! Wala siya?
Smile na, one, two, smile.
Alright.
Like, sino ang artista? Ready? Marjorie Vera, clap your hands. Yes, Miss Marian, our second participant. Thank you so much. Ma'am, what's your name?
Flex.
Ma'am Lex, how old are you?
Flex.
Well, Flex, very nice. Flex, how old are you now?
Ano si Sura Mires?
So Ramirez. So Ramirez, wow. Okay, sir, pangalan, sir? Sir Noel, ilang taon na? 49. 49, so taga sa kayo, sir? Napaliches. Sinong artista? Don't be shy, ipagsigaw mo, sir.
Michael Oxy.
Sino?
Michael Oxy.
Michael Locsin. Sir, pangalan, sir? Pakila ka, sir. Sir Jukes, ilang taon na? 37. Isan po? Pasig, Grand Pasig. Yung camera, sinong artista?
Si Coco.
Coco Martin. Grabe, Coco Martin pa. Okay.
Julia Montes.
Okay, get ready. Come on, guys. Maglalaro tayo ngayon, okay? Ang prizes natin is mystery games. Hindi namin alam kung anong laman nun, okay? So, bibigay ni Ma'am yun mamaya. So, come on guys, ready? Category lang. Magbibigay lang ako ng category. Sasagot na kayo. 5 seconds, okay? For example, magbigay ng mga brand ng cellphone. 5 seconds, ready? Here we go. Pabilisan ito, Mama. Okay, come on. 1, 2. Samsung.
Nokia.
Nokia. Cherry Mobile. Okay. Motorola. Saan ka magbigay ka pa? Hindi mo na pwede mag-iti yung mga nabanggit nila. 5 seconds, ready? Sony. Honor. 5, 4, 3, 2, wala na. Hey, so ma'am, Gossip Queen, sasayaw tayo, okay? Ang sabi ko kanina, 5
Aray mo.
seconds lang, mabilis lang yun. So now get ready, ma'am. So, ano mo si Elmarie? Ano mo sila?
We are best friends.
So remember
Ay,
your
sino
friends?
yung mother niya?
Kala ko sila, remember your friends. Now get ready, come on, ma'am. Susundan mo lang si Kuya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make some noise. For, sino ang artista ulit, ma'am? Grabe, Su Ramirez. Oh, get ready, so play that music. Oh, get ready. Come on, ma'am, energy, okay?
Huwag mahirap.
Actually, dancer. Okay, get ready, come on. Ready?
Huwag naman mahirap.
Yes, from the top, get ready. Come on, here we go. So play that music. Come on. Kanta na lang, ma'am, kanta. Parang clap your hands, palakpakan natin sa ma'am. Thank you so much. So now, by the way, ma'am, so